Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Mint browser video downloader in your Android and iOS. পরে কাছে Google Play Store. I'm using Android phone. If you use iPhone, then go to App Store, then search here the search box Mint browser video downloader. So you can see it's in the suggested, and the first option you can see it's really amazing app. The size of the 4. The rating of the 4.1 and 6k reviews and only 9 megabytes size of the app. It's too light and 10 million people already downloaded this app. And you can see it's like many features available. You can download videos, you can block ads, you can use incognito mode, night mode, data saver also. So simply click on install, and it takes few time to install in your device. So friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.